The day everything changed started with a banana. Not a special banana. Not a golden one. Just a slightly bruised banana sitting on a small wooden cart at a street market in Brooklyn, New York. Thousands of people walked past it every day without noticing. But that banana would explain how the stock market works, why some people build wealth slowly, why others lose money fast, and why patience matters more than luck. Before we go any further, let me ask you something. Have you ever felt confused by stocks? Have you ever thought investing is only for rich people in suits on Wall Street? If yes, stay with this story till the end. Because by the final minute, you'll understand stocks better than most people ever do. And if this story helps you even a little, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It motivates us to keep creating simple stories that change lives. Meet Ethan Miller. Ethan was 25 years old and worked as a food delivery rider. Every day, he rode through traffic, rain, and heat, delivering meals to people who barely noticed him. He worked hard, but no matter how much he earned, his bank balance never seemed to grow. Across the street from Ethan's small apartment was a fruit stall owned by an old man named Mr. Wilson. Mr. Wilson was retired from most of life, but not from wisdom. He sold bananas, apples, and oranges, not to get rich, but to stay busy. His hands were wrinkled, his back slightly bent, but his eyes were calm, sharp, and full of experience. Ethan often bought bananas from him because they were cheap and filling. One evening, after a long, exhausting day, Ethan sat on an empty crate near the stall inside. "I don't get it, Mr. Wilson," Ethan said. "I work every day, I save a little, but I'm always stuck. Meanwhile, people who invest just sit and make money." Mr. Wilson smiled and picked up a banana. "This banana," he said slowly, "can explain the stock market better than any YouTube course." Ethan laughed. "Come on, sir." "Stocks are complicated. I barely understand credit cards." Mr. Wilson placed 3 bananas on the counter. "Imagine this stall is a company," he said. "Right now, I own it completely. I grow the bananas, sell them, and take all the profit. But what if I want to expand? Bigger stall, better storage, more bananas. I'd need money." Ethan replied. "Exactly." Mr. Wilson nodded. "So instead of taking a loan, I divide my business into 100 small pieces. Each piece is called a share. I sell those shares to people." Ethan leaned in. "So if I buy 1 share, I own part of your banana business?" "Yes," Mr. Wilson said. "If my business grows, your share becomes more valuable. If my business struggles, your share loses value. That's a stock." The next week, something interesting happened. People started talking. Mr. Wilson's bananas taste better. His stall sells out every morning. More customers came. Demand increased. Yesterday, 1 share was worth $10. Today, people were willing to pay $15. Ethan's eyes widened. "So the price went up just because people believed your business would do better?" Mr. Wilson smiled. "Stocks move on belief, future expectations, and demand, not just today's profit." That night, Ethan couldn't sleep. For the first time, stocks didn't feel scary. They felt logical. Over the next few months, Ethan saved small amounts of money. He didn't rush. He observed businesses the way Mr. Wilson observed bananas. Then came a storm. A supply issue hit banana farms. News spread fast. "Bananas will be expensive. Shortage is coming." Share prices jumped again. Ethan felt excited. Not greedy. Just aware. But soon, fear replaced excitement. A big supermarket started selling cheaper bananas. Social media exploded. "Mr. Wilson's business will fail." Sell now before it's too late. The share price crashed. Ethan panicked. I lost money, he said one evening. Mr. Wilson didn't look worried. This is the most important lesson, he said. People buy stocks when everyone is greedy and sell them when everyone is afraid. That's why most people lose. Days passed. Prices stayed low. People mocked the banana business. But Mr. Wilson didn't quit. He improved quality, built loyal customers, reduced waste. Slowly, quietly, the business recovered. A year later, the share price didn't just recover. It doubled. Ethan finally understood. Stocks don't reward intelligence alone. They reward patience. They punish fear. Years went by. Ethan stopped delivering food. He started studying companies. He invested carefully. Sometimes he lost money. But every loss taught him something. One day, he returned to the market. The stall was gone. Mr. Wilson had passed away. On the counter was a small note. Businesses change. Prices move. Fear comes and goes. But understanding stays forever. Teach others. Ethan stood there holding a banana. It didn't look ordinary anymore. It looked like freedom. Today, Ethan helps others understand money in simple words. Not to get rich overnight, but to stop being afraid of the future. And that's what the stock market really is. Not gambling. Not magic. Not luck. It's ownership. It's patience. It's belief in good businesses over time. If this story helped you understand stocks even a little, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Because one simple story can change a life. And sometimes, all it takes to understand money is a banana.